No matter how big your business is, managing your employees' expenses should be simple. With QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can easily review and track expense claims from employees all in one place. Employees can quickly snap receipts right from their mobile device. They can choose the category and add notes about the expense for your review. After they submit an expense, you'll receive an email notification right away. You can review the expense information along with any additional comments right inside Advanced. Adjust as needed and add it directly to the books. That means you can easily review and store all your expense data, records, and approval history right in QuickBooks. No additional apps required. Save time and reduce errors with an automated employee expense management workflow you can rely on, only with QuickBooks Online Advanced.